Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see Samsung hiring there for freshers with the 7 LPA. I am going to explain completely. So watch the video till end, don't skip it. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. And they started their hiring for freshers. Last day to apply 21, drive date will be 24. Everything should be in online. 2020 batch BE Tech CS IT with the PH score. Looking for a good critical and analytical thinking knowledge person from students, those who are looking for a good job in Samsung, one of the product based and service based company, almost running their company 50 years in their product all over India. You can see any companies, and Samsung means it will be Tani branded and Tani respect to this company. So apply as much according to their login. To apply, you just want to create a litmus account. This all the candidate knowledge. They are hiring partners, so preferred skill, any skill, it will be enough for them. If your resume and your project everything good and skill is good, it will be valid. So apply as much quickly. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. First of all, you should create account on e-litmus. Don't go for any agencies. Samsung does not support any agencies. They are tie up with e-litmus only. So after your resume has been shortlisted, you can start up wrote the exam in your email itself. That is what they mentioned here. So if you resume shortlisted, they will send the exam shortly, I will say. So if you have any doubt, comment me. I will clear your doubt. Thanks for watching this channel.